red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, white color, and black color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. The alphabets of J, and use blue color. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for king. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. This is O. O for octopus. This is P. P for parrot. This is Q. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R. The alphabets of R, and use yellow color. Yellow color. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. Z for zebra. Kids, now draw numbers. And first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use green color. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Red color, blue color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets, numbers, and 2D shapes. And first you draw A and use red color. This is A. A for apple. Kids, now draw B. The alphabets of B, and use blue color. This is B. B for ball. Kids, now draw C. The alphabets of C, and use yellow color. This is C. C for car. It's neither D. The alphabets of D and use green color. Green color. This is D. D for dog. It's neither E. The alphabets of E and use black color. This is E. E for elephant. It's neither numbers. And first we draw 1 and use red color. This is 1. O-N-E 1. This is 2. T-W-O 2. This is 3. T-H-R-W 3. This is 4. F-O-U-R 4. This is 5. F-I-V-E 5. It's neither shapes. And first we draw square. The shape of square. This is square and use blue color. It's neither circle. The shape of circle and use yellow color. This is circle. It's neither triangle. The shape of triangle and use green color. Green color. This is triangle. It's neither heart. The shape of heart and use black color. This is heart. Kids, last we draw star. The shape of star and use white color. This is star. The shape of star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.